Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Batt and welcome to my course on creating responsive pages with CSS FlexBox. I am the head trainer with LearningDojo.net. CSS3 introduced FlexBoxes which allow you to easily create responsive layouts without having to use CSS floats. You can quickly lay out content in horizontal or vertical stacks with very little CSS and even make it responsive without having to use extensive media queries. This course is designed to walk you through hands-on examples of how to create responsive web layouts using nothing but CSS FlexBoxes, and even turn non-responsive content into responsive layouts pretty quickly. Some of the major topics will include understanding the FlexBox container, quickly stacking content in rows and columns, adjusting layout options with FlexBox attributes, modifying specific items within the FlexBox, having content wrap and adjust based on the browser size. By the end of this course, you'll be comfortable with how to create CSS FlexBoxes to design responsive web pages without having to rely on any external JavaScript libraries. You'll even get to work through some FlexBox challenges. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with HTML and CSS basics. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn CSS FlexBoxes with the Creating Responsive Pages with CSS FlexBox course at Pluralsight.